everyone, this is Citlali from the CalMex Center, and today we have some exciting updates on the national campaign to restore DACA's advanced parole. Today we will be covering the results of our Washington, D.C. trip in June, as well as the next steps of our campaign. The CMSC took a delegation of 30 Dreamers to Washington, D.C. in June to advocate for the restoration of DACA's advanced parole. Successfully, we were able to meet with more than 80 congressional offices and secure the support of senators and Congress members. As a result, we plan to support a delegation of Dreamers with the necessary funds to apply for advanced parole. The campaign will visit DC in the fall to continue to advocate for the granting of advanced parole to Dreamers and pursue a standalone bill to legislate advanced parole for all deferred action programs, and an appropriation advanced parole amendment to a must-pass bill. Depending on the outcome of this last phase of the campaign, the CMSC will pursue class action litigation against the Trump administration for the discriminatory and inhumane denial of international travel to Dreamers as provided by DACA. Please stay connected and visit the campaign's website at advancedparole.org